In this video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new airdrop that just launched. The airdrop is called Betfury, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a detailed tutorial on this airdrop, how it works, and everything. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to know about this airdrop is that you have to know that they are a betting platform and they want to make their own cryptocurrency. That's why they are making this airdrop so that they are going to market it and distribute it to people for completely for free. Without further ado, I'm going to show you a tutorial on this airdrop and I'm going to tell you more about it throughout this video. But before I get right into the video, I just need you to do two things for me. I need you to like this video and subscribe so that I'm going to be sure that you are following. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Telegram. Of course, you have to go to your Telegram, and I'm going to give the link down in the description, the airdrop link in the description, so that you're going to get 1,000 coins for free. It's a deal for me and you. You get reward and I get reward. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Telegram and search for and go to Betfury. I will leave the link in the description. Now, when you go to the this thing, you're going to see Betfury and it's going to load for you. Now, what you're going to do is now press Start Journey. As you can see, it's going to give you 1,000 points. That means they're going to give you 1,000 points if you use my link. If you don't use it, you're not going to get anything. So it's a win for you. So the first thing you have to do now, you go to their Betfury app and you see in Q3 or Q4, that means quarter of the 2024, they are going to launch. That means under kind December time, they are going to launch. That's why this airdrop, I need you to do it fast and take action. So you can see I have 1,000 points. Now, how do I increase these points? Now, what I'm going to be doing is that you can stake. You will see, I'm going to show you. My phone is quite loading slow. You can see you can stake this 1,000 points, or you can refer a friend, as you can see as I'm referring, and you can see press about more to see about more of the crypto airdrop or stuff like that. But what I'm going to do to now, or you can also even spin a wheel to get cryptocurrency too. You can get $1 USDT that you can even withdraw and stuff like that. Now what I'm going to do is to play the game and show you how it works. Now I'm going to play the game. You just have to wait a little bit. You can press keep if you want. Got it. Now you just have to wait. You can by the way, let me tell you something. These points are going to be converted into the cryptocurrency. They are going to actually be converted into the cryptocurrency that you are going to use. So now what you're going to do is to be playing this game. As you can see, you are playing it. It's just like Subway, So Fast, and all those kind of games, but it's different from your normal airdrop because of it's not like tap swap or meme fee or something like that. This one is something special, and that's why I tell you this airdrop is worth it. Many people don't even know about it. Most influencers aren't even talking about it. So this is it. Now you can see you have to just be running. If you have any like problem with the airdrop or stuff like that, you can comment down below and I'm going to reply you. Trust me. Now you can see you are going to be collecting the points and collecting the coins and stuff like that. Now you can get more energies and stuff like that. I'm going to skip this video to the end so that you are going to see that I've finished it. I'm not going to waste your time. So as you can see now, I've skipped the video. As you can see, I got seven, I think 97 points and 0.20 BGB. By the way, let me tell you something. These BGB points, right? You can actually use it in like their betting platform. I won't advise you to bet or any of those things because of financial advice or stuff like that. But you can actually use it. It's actually a coin in their betting platform if you don't actually know. But now they are trying to like launch it and they like main this thing. So you can do all these tasks. You can like join their telegram and they're going to give you 3,000 points. Let me join their telegram and so that they're going to give me 3,000 points. Now check. Let me join. Press join. Now I'll go back. As you can see their telegram and stuff like that. Wait, let me go back. Now press check and boom, 3,000 points. Just free to 3,000 points like that.
By the way, they are distributing $20 million in this airdrop, so I'm guaranteeing you are going to make at least $200. They are giving out $300 million in this airdrop, so yeah, I'm telling you, you're going to make like $200 in this airdrop. So bye for now, and make sure you subscribe.